Holidays are right around the corner, and you know what that means? You gotta find gifts that you want to ask Santa for, and you gotta find gifts for your friends. And as car guys, we love receiving car parts, so I figured, you know what? Right before Black Friday, let me try to encourage you guys to go out and shop and get those deals. So today we're gonna be taking a look at some questionable car mods, and maybe in a future video we'll look at some decent deals, but today we're going to be looking at some RICER car mods. And since I always talk about Amazon wings and Amazon parts, let's just go right to Amazon. Now, I don't have anything pre-pulled up. I don't have like tabs like I usually do for like the Craigslist videos, so we're winging it. So first things first, when you think of a RICER, what do you think of? You think of a big wing. So let's see, for 2019, what are some big wings? How are we going to word this? Big car spoiler. Let's just see what they got for us. Okay, so the first one is actually a mini spoiler. So they're like, you better be joking. Here's a mini one. Before you go and compensate for something, we'll give you something small just to show you that this is a gag. But no, we're not looking for that. We want some good stuff. Okay, well, this one is pretty cool. So this one is a lot more sleeker. This would be like the tuner RICER wing right here. It's a fake carbon fiber rubberized lip, which actually ain't that bad. You know what? This is a lot. Okay, they did it wrong though. So if you look at these pieces right here, can I click on this photo? Yeah, there's two end caps for like, you know, where your trunk splits, and they just put them on the trunk too. Okay, so this guy actually has no idea what he's doing. But you know what? This actually isn't that bad. How much are they asking for? 25 bucks too. 25 bucks. You know what? We started out with a pretty good one. It's not the big old double-decker Amazon wing. Here we go. Perfect. And it's on a Genesis. It's not one of these useless ones. Look at, you're going to be spending $100. Fitment, universal application to most vehicles. If it's a performance part and it's universal, that's bad. That means that it will do the same for a shitty Honda as a Lamborghini, and you don't want that. You want stuff designed for your car. You don't want no universal stuff, unless of course it's something that can be universal. But no, not for most vehicles. And look at the GT86. Look at the Genesis in the background. It's actually not a bad Genesis. Imagine it with a ducktail, it would look a lot cleaner. Or that carbon fiber wrapped lip, a lot cleaner in my own opinion. But will instantly enhance the aerodynamics and downforce on track cars or race cars. This is what RICERs see, and then they're like, oh, take all my money. Only one left in stock. Order soon. Come on, take all my money. Okay, we'll look at one more wing, and then maybe we'll move on. Oh, here we go. The Aventador Wing. This one is great right here. You want a wing to look like a crumbled piece of paper? What is this on a Mustang? It's on a Mustang too. You had to do me like that? Put the Aventador wing on the Mustang? Oh my God. Here we go. Universal for Ford, Mustang, Chevy, Camaro, Dodge Challenger in GT Lambo style matte black. How much is it? 170 bucks. You want to waste 170 bucks to do nothing to your car? Let's read the description. High quality, made of ABS plastic. Okay, well, nothing wrong with ABS plastic. ABS plastic is okay. Effect: using aerodynamic principles when driving at high speeds, it creates downward pressure on the car, offsets some of its lift, reduce the coefficient of wind. See, they just make it sound smart, but we know it's not going to work like that. Every car is designed differently, and you can look into this. But wings, they have to do a lot with physics. Obviously, you have to, air resistance, downforce, lift, all that stuff, and they have to be dialed in like any other part of a car. You can't just throw a wing on it and it's going to work. Okay, I see too many wings out in public that are up like that, and you're creating lift. You're going up force instead of down force, and yeah, it's not great. Easy to install. Drill holes. Drill small, simple holes. Okay, yeah, just completely destroy your factory trunk. Great, and you're good. Yeah, that's all right. Let's look at some more RICER parts. Let's look at well, here's some vortex generator. Nah, not vortex generators. Let's look at some turbo kits. Let's go car turbos. Let's look at some turbo kits. Okay, turbo whistle. This is a great one right here. Okay, great mod for any enthusiast. You want to make your car stand out and sound aggressive, like it has a turbo. Don't buy one of these, because this won't make it sound like it. This will make it sound like you have a vacuum leak somewhere. This will make it sound like you have an exhaust leak and it's just whistling. This is not a great mod. I want to see reviews. Reviews would be great. Questions? No questions. There's no. Oh, here we go. We got reviews. Sorry, hate to give bad reviews, and I never have, But when the product does not work as advertised, a man has to do what a man has to do. Tying to everything once package arrived, unit came with no set screws and 2 pieces of the whistle were loose. Tried it out by simply blowing into it and it worked fine. Tried a 4, a 6, and an 8 cylinder, even 2 cylinders. Nothing, not a sound. I noticed that once I removed it, that it would not function even by blowing through it until it cooled down. So heat stops it from working? Okay, I don't know how heat would stop it from working unless the material expands. It's really like cheap, but that's not plastic. I don't know. I don't know what you expected. Couldn't even hear it making any noise at all. Oh no. Well, you know what? Maybe this is a really nice company and they're just trying to rid the world of awful sounding turbo whistles. And so they're selling shitty ones. So no one wants to go buy them. And guys, if you do want to buy one, there's different sizes to fit your exhaust pipes. If you're trying to whistle and your air is going around the whistle, well, it's not going to work. So you got to get one that's snug and then it'll blow. All right. Oh, here we go. Hybrid T3 T4 turbocharged. What? Okay. $100 turbo? $100 turbo? Okay, let's see what it says. Boost horsepower up to 420 horsepower. What if my car comes with 420 horsepower? Does it do nothing then? Or is it saying that it'll add up to 420 horsepower? You know what? I've heard of people using like eBay turbos and Amazon. Well, not Amazon turbos, but eBay turbos are the one that people usually use because they're cheap. And when they stop working, you just swap it out with another one. And it's really cheap. You know, you can't just buy a turbo alone and bolt it up. So I wouldn't, no, I wouldn't do it. Let's look at Lambo door kits in case you guys really have money. Door kits. This one actually has reviews. So this one okay, let's see what cars they put it on to. So this is a $300 kit. They put it on a truck, another truck, and a Camaro. So, all right. So that's what we're working with here. $300. It says it'll work for universal for all, so let's see what the review says. That's what I really want to know. Did someone get some enjoyment out of this? Simple design, very sturdy, and most importantly, they are adjustable. They are going on a BMW. They appear well made. So he hasn't even used them yet. He doesn't even know they appear well made. They appear like they look good. It appears like they're quality, but you could put it on. It could be a piece of shit. I put them on a 2003 Toyota Corolla, RICER alert. And I have to say, I'm very happy with my purchase. They fit well and they came in good condition. Very small adjustments had to be made to my fenders. But when I was done, I was very pleased. Oh, he included a picture. Oh, I'm so happy he included this. Look at, that's what we're working with here, boys. That's what we're working with here. Loved it. Adjustable, great quality, fast delivery, and made the car look badass. So you went and bought a new Audi. And that's what you did? You didn't even show a picture with them up, did you? Oh, you did in this picture. A head-on picture. We want to see the side profile, lady. Yeah, I'm a car girl. I bought Lambo doors. What else do RICERs do? All right, we're going on to the last RICER mod. And we got to end with a bang. So we got to go with the fake hood scoops, okay? And we want one with reviews. This one has a 3-star review. So you know what? For $10, let's take a look. 10 inches. That's almost as small as my Aumo Mate Universal Car Airflow Intake Hood Scoop Turbo Bonnet SUV Vent Cover 10 by 7 by 1. 10 inches? That's like this big. Material, high quality ABS plastic, go figure. The air scoop is just for decorative. The air scoop is just for decorative. No substantial heat dissipation. Why do I feel like I'm pronouncing that wrong?
Dissipation.
I can't pronounce that word. Function. No substantial. So that means it does a little bit. Okay, thank you. No substantial. You're not going to see substantial gains. Just mediocre. That's what it looks like. That's what you guys are buying. We've seen this one before. Wow. That's what you guys are buying right here. And they put it on. That's not a real RS, is it? No, that's not a real RS. Come on. Come on. All right, let's read the reviews. I really want to see what they say. Adhesive strip on this product sucks. Lost it on the road somewhere. Go figure. Cheap. Junk. Cheap ass plastic and would fly off at about 20 miles per hour. Save your money and frustration. Might work on your child's pedal car. That's the only thing you should buy these for. You shouldn't buy these and stick them on your car. The item is cheap. After a week, the plastic got brittle and broke into 2. Waste of time. Waste of time? Here, let me show you guys how to install one of these. You go and you get it. Here, I'm going to use this pack of gum. You take off the adhesive and you smack it on. Was that a waste of time? That wasn't a waste of time. Very cheap. Plastic was smashed when I received it because you're buying a freaking fake hood scoop. You expect quality customer images. Okay. That's, okay. All right. And it's missing. Yeah. It's a great package, a great modification right there. All right, let's look at one more because I really love hearing people complain about these. Oh, they put it on a GT86. This one's $32 for triple the price. You can get a Mega RICER Universal JDM style decorative hood scoop, smoke black, airflow intake, vent cover, auto. This is like when you have a 1,000-word essay and you're just trying to make it like with every word possible. This is what that is right here. Where did I leave off? Vent cover, auto, car, truck, sport racing. Like, dude, that's not even a coherent like description of it. Just say fake sport hood scoop. Like that's all you need to say, okay? Made of top quality durable ABS plastic. I feel like everything is made of ABS plastic in the RICER community. Upgrade style appearance with this ultra lightweight design. You know what would be lighter than putting a fake hood scoop on your car? Not putting a hood scoop on your car. All right, we're going down to the reviews. Okay, looks good on my hybrid. Hope it... This boy just put it on his hybrid. Looks good on my hybrid. Yep, let's get that airflow to the batteries. Yep, looks great. Look very good on my 1995 Civic EX sedan. Oh, dude, that looks real good. Wow. You should go enter in a car contest. I think you're going to win some trophies. Nice piece. Love it. Easy to install. Looks great. Like, it's not hard. These are all fake reviews. You could tell because there's no profile pics. These are real people. And that's the sad part. So it's probably got like 3 real reviews. Oh, maybe 4 real reviews. Made my car run so much... Wait, what? This guy's got to be joking. Made my car run so much cleaner. No more sputters or pinging. Added at least 50 horsepower. And everywhere I go, panties are dropping for my race Hyundai. Sorry, ladies. This bad boy is taken. Update 3.14.19 scoop is still secure AF. Oh my god, I had to hire a full-time security guard. This guy should be a comedian. I can't go on with this. Let's see his car. That's a fast-ass Hyundai right there. That is double-decker wing, gold wheels. This guy wishes he has an Impreza so bad, and he's got the fake scoops on the side. See, some people I think are self-aware. It doesn't make it any more better, but you know what? He's having fun with this car, and there's not much you can complain about that. So more power to you, man. Go buy those fake hood scoops. Go buy the fake vents. Although I noticed you're not perfectly symmetrical. You don't have any fake vents on this side, but on this side you got canards and another fake vent. That's racist. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to look at some authentic car parts, maybe some actual good deals for car parts for maybe, I don't know, Christmas and whatnot, let me know down in the comments. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Pick up some merch, link in description down below. Subscribe to join the Peacock flock, and until next video, peace.